Hi everyone, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to underline your headings in Microsoft Word. So if you're working in any Word document and you have the heading or title, then I'm going to show you how to go ahead and ensure that you underline that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply take this chapter 1 details here, and I'm going to simply click on title here, so to make it as a title from the styles, so you can see here that it is now a title. Now in order to underline this, what you want to do is simply highlight it, and there's two ways to go about doing this. One, you can simply use from your text option here under your font, and you will see underline. Simple click on that and it's going to underline. However, when you click an underline like that, it just make a basic underline. So if you want something a little bit more where you can control the underline, let's control Z, and let me show you another way how to go about doing that. So you want to go ahead and ensure that you highlight the text. Then under the paragraph section, the last option here towards the lower right, you will see it says borders. Click on the drop down, and then you want to go ahead and click on the borders, right? So you can simply click on bottom border or whatever border, but you can simply go ahead and choose that border. But you can simply go ahead and choose, for example, bottom border, or just simply go down to the bottom and click on borders and shadings. That's going to open up the menu here, and you want to ensure that you click on border, and then from here you have multiple options that you can really work with. You can choose from the options here where you have styles, and you can choose multiple styles. That's going to give you different styles that you can choose from under your borders. And here you can do, for example, box and whatever option that you can choose from, right? So go ahead and you can choose whatever styles that you want. And once you go ahead and select that option, guys, you want to ensure that you don't just select, for example, one particular line and click on OK, because that's going to make it all around your document. You want it to be under the bottom. So to underline it, you want to simply go back in. Let me go ahead and show you again. You want to go back in, and here you want to ensure that once you select whatever you want, let's say you want to choose something from the box option, you can go ahead and you can select how you want it to be. So for example, here it shows that you can do it, for example, underline or whatever. You can go ahead and you can choose how you want to do it. So you can ensure that you remove the ones that you don't want. So for example, like that, this gives you the control how you can basically set it. So as you can see, it switched from box to custom, because here you can choose whichever, let's say, section of the lines you want to show or hide. So as you can see now, I remove the ones here and only leave the bottom one. So now I can go ahead and I can click on OK, and here you see that now underlines that, and that's it. So it gives you quite a lot of flexibility once you go into borders and shadings, and you can easily go ahead and manipulate it, customize it the way you want to in this particular way. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.